Okay, so here's the story. I was over here on the phone with Noritz, and I got some pretty good footage of troubleshooting why there's no hot water for this tankless Noritz. And as I was editing, I punched my computer really hard because my Mac is really glitchy, and I have zero patience for when machines don't work. So basically, I lost all the footage because I took it in. The guy's gonna have to format the hard drive, so. But I got a lot of good footage that I lost, or I had a footage that I lost. We troubleshooted the outlet with the multimeter, and we did some other stuff. It's pretty interesting, but we found that this is for lightning protection, so it doesn't short circuit, I guess, all the other electrical components. But we came to the conclusion through several tests that this is bad. This thing cost $66. I overnighted it. That includes, it's actually 33, and it was another 33 to overnight it. Basically, all we got to do is replace this, and he said this should fix it. But if it doesn't, you have to replace this to be able to test everything else, because the electricity runs first through this and then to all the other components. So should be pretty easy. I hope. It looks exactly the same. Okay, so we just need to get that off. Oh, well, that was easy enough. We definitely don't want to lose those. Yeah, the footage was pretty cool, because I rarely use the multimeter. But this has 120 volts going to it. And then I tested these right here, and nothing. 0.00. Okay. Let me put this down and get this off. Okay, those are off. Now we just gotta do the ground clamp here. Put that one right there. And then this guy. Take that all the way off. The new one is identical. Looks identical. me just put these screws back in and that should be it. Okay, that's it. That's it. All right. It's doing the same thing it did before. I don't know if that fixed it, man. I guess I shouldn't jump to conclusions yet. Gas is on. Yikes. Let me just say that the tenant hasn't been exactly understanding that the landlord doesn't control that a water heater works or not, that sometimes things go bad. And it's not the fault of anybody but the stupid water heater. They haven't quite understood that. So okay. Oh, thank God. It's working. It's working. Oh, thank God. It's frickin' working. Okay, the water is blaring hot now. Oh yeah, that's working good.